sa Ilocamo. Hey guys, we're here at D-Mall and should be checking into my accommodation for my holiday before I go to the beach and enjoy. So let's go. Wow! This looks so gorgeous, guys. Look at this, guys. Like, this is so unreal. Like, oh my god, so beautiful, isn't it? The weather is so amazing today, guys. There's some like clouds forming over there, but look, the sunset should be amazing today. And Boracay is very well known for a beautiful sunset, and we should be witnessing that in an hour or two. So let's go check it out. I'm here in D-Mall. I'm trying to look for something to eat for dinner. So, challenge ni siya kayo na. On a budget town, yeah. Ang mga pagkaon na rin, sobra pas 100 po. 100 pa ka. OMG guys. Ngita ta guys. Hangita ako dira yun. To explore Puka Beach, and I know it's so windy right now and I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm just using my GoPro because it's light and my SLR takes a lot of space in my dry bag, so I decided not to bring that here right now. But I'm just gonna enjoy Puka Beach. It's like on the other side of the Boracay Island, and I think it's like lesser people than the other side of the beach. I mean, other side of the island. Let's go enjoy Puka Beach right Let's go enjoy Puka Beach right now in 3, 2, 1. So cool, and at the same time frightening, because you know the wind is so strong right now, in case you didn't know. And I'm just learning to use my drone, and that was cool. Let's go guys. So guys, here at the edge of Station 1, there's a Mama Mary statue right over here, and it's like the waves are strong here also. And there's like a cove or something like a cave that was developed. Interesting. Surely nightlife here in Boracay is colorful. I don't think it's much as colorful than the usual because after the rehabilitation, a lot of things changed here, according to my friends. Because I've never been here before. It's my first time here in Boracay, and I think it's worth it to be here. The nightlife is good. It's moderated. One thing I observed also is that everyone or the locals knows how to speak in Korean or other languages. So I think that's good because they can communicate well to the foreigners or tourists, which they're customers. And another thing that I observed is that almost all of the establishments here, the names some of it are mostly written in a different language, mostly in Mandarin or in Korean or in Chinese. But nevertheless, the beauty of the island, the pristine beach, like the powdery sand from the long shoreline, the water, the other side of the island, which is in Puka Beach, just amazing, surreal. Kumusta yung buhay niyo dito? After ng rehab?
Lakas dati ang kita namin sir eh. Walang bawal. Ngayon bawal na kami tinda sa front beach. May mga map na kasi mga pulis kami nag-uhuli sa amin. Kaya dito na kami tinda.
Dito na lang. Sa Puka kami nag-ano din?
Meron doon. Doon kami pag malakas sa Puka dito kami nagtitinda. Pag doon malinaw din kami. Kasi doon yung sika eh. Doon dapat kayo. Kaya malakas doon yun. Kaya makadaong.
Hindi na magkano. Kaya nagmamahalan na yung mga presyo?
Ha?
Kaya nagmamahalan yung mga presyo?
Oo. Mahal yan. Ayun talaga. Mahal talaga dito sa Boracay. Walang mura dito.
Dati pa lang?
Oo.
Saan mo natutunan mag-Korean?
Sa boss, dito sa mga kasamahan ko.
May school kayo o ano?
Wala sir.
Wala lang.
Sariling ayun ba? Kayod. Sipag.
Taga Boracay ka talaga?
Hindi naman sir. Working lang dito sir. Nakakalibo ako eh.
Nakakalibo.
Baka?
So, dati ka na nagtrabaho dito nung before pa nung...
Andox. Tapos Aria. Italian.
Anong pinagbago ng Boracay?
Ang pinagbago ng Boracay sir, yung mga bedsheet dito sir.
Wala na.
Mga bedsheet pa. Wala na.
Dati meron.
Tapos yung mga fire dyan sir. Nangingitim kasi sa ano yun, sa buhangin.
Mas maraming turista ngayon sa dati.
Medyo. Or mas bitter pa rin noon sir.
Pero mas malinis ngayon.
Mas malinis yun sir. Tingnan mo naman sir.
Ganda. First time ko dito. Thank you. Hey guys, so today is my last full day here in Boracay and I should be enjoying the snorkeling and helmet diving. So time check, it's 9 in the morning and the weather isn't as sunny as we hope, and it should be fun. Hopefully everything's gonna be okay. Today is December 10. It should be a happy birthday to me. Peace and love.
Autumn breeze, blue skies and golden leaves, and I'll drive all day with.
Nabasa ko na akong t-shirt. Dito na ako nabasa akong t-shirt. First stop of the day, some beach here in Boracay. It's so wavy, so unfortunately the boat didn't go to Puka Beach, so that's why we're here. It's quite small and a lot of pebbles right there. See? Pebbles.
Amber eyes, you're giving me butterflies, so I'll drive all day with not a care in the world. 'Cause with you by my side, I gotta ride or die. We'll be rebels, you and me, sailing towards the sun like we're shot from guns, living